Ojo Osagie. Ojo Adodo don't born, your wife don't born. Ojo you they do video. They show gun for live video. Ojo you let go for Adodo. Hey, Adodo is a allow a bad Adodo. Adodo to can bell a bad Adodo. Adodo who can over. Adodo. Venu ya mwe. Owoko Ojo Osagie who can bell a bad Adodo. Oh, not be Ojo fault. Ojo go Nigeria, go marry one yeye girl. They come package and say chot. Ojo for put. Ojo carry well go Canada. He will say he need keyboard. Ojo put money pussy o come ya le ne keyboard. Omo no le ne keyboard ori mu ko na o kan we. Ojo we ask the family gima. Ojo they talk about for family. Ojo no go saka Adodo. Ojo Maleki not do you well. I will call Maleki. I will call Maleki just now for my live video. Say Maleki Alpha. How you take there with Ojo? Maleki you not do Ojo well. Maleki you fuck up. Maleki you fuck up. You know Maleki be the background. Ojo will comport. Maleki now you do one. They say they say na Maleki. Now you do one. He say they say na Maleki now you do one. Maleki you wait know me. Hey, God, oh. Iji. We don't me. About Obazee. When you don't know, see me, Obazee are the same family. So you don't say tomorrow, now my brother come in and say, smart, who is what? You a padomo, a palaegui, war not swing. My seto. My brother, I'm a come in and say, small, you get mad. Let me get mad, I'll say palaegui. So what am no, even though say, Abba say, blood is not thicker than water. No, we, brother, we are thicker than water. Before Mama Owen family enter our family, Abba don't get her sis. Even when, not be you make Abba get her so, Abba don't get her sin before you come. So, not gonna do like which thing. People will say, they are jealousy Abat because of the carry in mother he not go abroad. No, now they mad. Make one they look us now. We reach this way they abroad. We many. Now they craze. Shall we say mother-in-law? Not be mother-in-law matter. Mother-in-law will comport himself. Mother-in-law wants say UK. He come do. Ijo we hamijwe wijwe no power wa batiri. Hamijwe, uwa kela a family gimana, abati bo wane, tu wane mea. If you want to carry abat, you know abat my brother, abat na very very emotional. Abat na person will say, if you give her water, abat will go hide. Abat there with also, but no. Abat don't sit on. Abba see something for their mother-in-law. If you will can't take the advantage for Abbas, people say Abba they do saga for social media. So if you will can't take the advantage, if you want the family, so they call it feel say if Abba they do saga, they insult people. So if Abba make mad, will fuck them up. So the Abba not say the saga way they do for social media. If what they use the observer. One day, Mama, you want to say, Igi ko other for me now, every mere or bumbe. Do you know why? He don't use Abba head to go UK. A muggy day. I'll tell me now what the ma. I'll tell me that's what the family. The family don't make way. Abba Toba say we both when my angel were there, who my own there. Ijo we ezaza ga halara vuju agbe. O ma wu wa we ogbe wa hi wa bi ma dey. Wa meloki wa mare. Dead body go for food. Very so disappointed, man. or don't carry woman enter abroad. They say make or don't born for many years, pikin not come outside. Or don't carry wife go Canada. Wife, they just keep on collect your wife. Somebody just give you wife belly. Your wife just born. Oh. Although I cry for you. Somebody collect your wife, give them belly. Although I know your pain. Although fight Adodo. Although one not be your problem. Now you the Muslian. Although fight Adodo. Adodo carry your wife in house. Adodo give your wife belly. Your wife born for Adodo. Who bien ne or bien away. Who we moire we book. Il me wa vie non Dion, il me wa sauce, que non de ade, me il me video, me il me picture, il me wa vie, que non de ade. I dey cry for John Osagie. He say vie. In a way, me niya whatever na Ojo is my brother. Me niya way na ma Adodo. We no want mo work on no want me connect. Oh. Ojo na do aye Facebook ki. Ojo ki show receive his Facebook. Oh, ici non ton show me Facebook ki. Ojo mambo e live e Canada do ya agba dodo wa. E Facebook ojo na ri show ici. An American imagine if you like show go American they don't get it. Cause many people for here get go Ojo mamu isi no ya gbala dodo we Canada agogo wozie no hamena lefwa wozie wo manon virus so hame Ojo umagwala dodo Ojo you want me family issue Ojo na wa de ba Ojo na is one vie pishi me mavote me ona so vie ye page okay Ojo Obazee family not be your problem. Now Adodo family not be your problem. Obazee family not be your problem. Me go your day now. Are you carry wife? Crow broad daylight. Are you carry wife from Nigeria? Carry her enter joint. Another guy man will come carry my wife. Come give her belly. My wife will come born. Just again. Oh, even me I was join now. Oh, dame oh, dame capo. Hey. Ojo, it pay me. Your wife don't born for other person. Ojo, we have a Obazee family saga. Ojo, you wouldn't saga move. Umaya kwale Adodo no me kono ukawe. Nuda dodoji Ojo uwe American passport where you are an American citizen. Although you know, say if you make noise for Canada, they will throw you back. They will call America and say, this to the city they make noise. I'll just say a Canada me and Winifred. Winifred come lock Ojo Osagie outside. We hear the story. Winnie lock Ojo for outside. Adodo Aruwa. Everything don't come outside. So when Ojo enter Canada, go see Winifred. Then they come lock Ojo outside. Adodo come dey house with Winnie. Adodo gbe Ojo gbe Winnie ye wowa. Ojo back outside. Maliki ba uwese o. Deti mo we. Everybody suffer. Now they about the talent. Abbas say parents not trainer. Who give Abbas? Who pay school for Abbas? Who come out money? Now him mama and the papa. So when they forget what they talk sometimes. If they talk that talk, people say a wife issue. Don't about talk. Eba Niger will leneno or some not bado. Or to look at my phone. This is my wife. This is my wife. They took Kuko. Mother-in-law took Kuko catch out. Or tell me my way. Eba Nia Mune in Nigeria here kill the ade. Or tell me mine. Or tell me Jimmy Yoni. Oh my. Over the mine. Again, I want to be ya clear. Ijomo who Ijowa. Ome sakpo. Again, I want to be ya gbano. Now, family first, oh, before this woman come my life, I don't be that so. Before this man will come my life, I don't dey well. Now, family dey with me, oh. Now, family dey with me, oh. Ijo when la re, où est qui a dit egba bat, egbe Obazee family. How about you, one ya? Rudu about number one. How about you, one neck kabo? I can beware. How about you, one? Each week you are like UK. Each one one viebo at the UK. Each one else one later and then Abat. Abat that way ever oh God. In our way, oh, I'm way by down not tell me, what you play voice record if you live video. Ew, what you make back. Hey, that's again like saga. Hey, do you revive what tell me about? Abat feel give me kudos on code, but you know to do. Yeah, we am not to make back. Ni made that take that video. In us one with Ijonwe. Ina mugbe. It's like a family young baby. Saka. Ijuwe jeyukire ijuwe magijowa. Okwe vabati Maria. Saga consider. Saga midday saga. I dey sleep. Una go wake me up. Enoge for Jeremy says, my papa said, a saga ni amu wela na e bavo.